students. Hi parents. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Good afternoon children. Say good afternoon teacher. Yes, good afternoon. So children, before we are going to start our lecture, have you done your prayer? आप सबने prayer किया? Okay, good. Children, go and remove your book. EduMax Level B, book number 5. Go and remove your book. I am going to write today's date. See on the blackboard. 24th Feb 2021. And what we are going to learn today? We are going to learn English. Okay? Have you removed your book? Good. So children, हमने last time क्या पढ़ा था? Can anyone tell me? याद है किसी को? Yes. We are completed from O. Yes. हमने O तलक complete कर लिया था. Yes or no? Now we are going to learn. Again we are going to revise it. ठीक है? अभी हम वापस से revise करने जा रहे हैं. तो see on the blackboard and remove your red line to blue line notebook, pencil, eraser also. I am going to make the line. Red line, blue line. So children, have you removed your book? तो आज हम जो पहले कर चुके हैं हम बुक नंबर 5 से पेज नंबर 4, पेज नंबर 5, 6 and 7. This much we have already completed. Yes or no? So L, small m, small n and small o. Till O we have already completed. Yeah. So children, now we are going to revise it. Okay, so see on the blackboard I am going to write, and same you have to write in your notebook. See, red line to blue line, small l. Red line to blue line, you have to make a standing line. This is a small l. Right? Okay. Blue line to blue line, small m. First you have to make a small standing line. Up to down, then again up to down. It becomes a small m. ये क्या हो गया? What is this? Small m. Again blue line to blue line, standing line, up, down. It becomes a small n. ये क्या हो जाता है? Small n. Then blue to blue, we have to round it. Okay? पूरा ऐसे circle बनाना है, तो ये हमारा O बन जाता है. Write in your notebook, small m, small n, and small o. Fine? L, M, N, O. This much first write. Then afterwards we are going to write downwards. Okay? फिर हम इनके नीचे नीचे लिखते जाएंगे अच्छे से. See, red line to blue line, standing line. Small l. What it is? Small l. टीचर के साथ बोल के लिखो. Say and write with me. Small l. What it is? Small l. Blue line to blue line. Standing line. Up, down. It becomes m. Small m. बोलो. Small m. Or you can say M for mango. Blue line to blue line, standing line, then up, down. Small n. And for nose. Blue line to blue line, small o. But it becomes small o. O for owl. O for orange, जो आपको आता है बुलबुल की लिखिए. Red line to blue line, small l. L for lamb. L for lamb. And what is the sound of L? Yes, L. What is the sound of L? L. Blue line to blue line, standing up, down, small m. M for mango. What is the sound of M? M. What is the sound of M? M. Blue line to blue line, standing, then up, down, small n. What it is? Small n. What is the sound of n? N. What is the sound of n? N. Blue line to blue line, circle. ये ऐसे हमें सर्कल जैसे बनाना है. Okay? It become a small O. It become a small O. O for orange. What is the sound of O? O. Again, red line to blue line, you have to make a standing line. Fine children, this is a standing line, means L. Small L. Blue line to blue line, standing line, up, down. It becomes a small M. Blue line to blue line, standing line, up, down. It becomes a small N. बुलबुल के लिखो children. Small L, small M, small N. Blue line to blue line, small O. Okay? Again, red line to blue line, standing line, small L. Blue line to blue line, standing, up, down. समझ में आ रहा है? Good. Again, standing line, up, down, small m and small o. So children, have you all understood? L, M and O. Okay? L, M and O. Till O we have already done with it. But today we have revised it once again. Yes or no? So your homework is, this page you have to write 2 times. 2 times ये आपको आपके नोटबुक में लिखना रहेगा. Okay? So children, now we are going to learn the pictures. ठीक है? अभी हम pictures पढ़ते हैं. So page number 4 निकालिए. Book number 5 से page number 4. Yes, L. What it is? L. L for log. बोलो children. L for log. L for lamb. L for lamb. What is the sound of L? L. What is the sound of L? L. टीचर के साथ रिपीट कीजिए. Then next page number is 5. M. Small m. M for moon. M for moon. M for monkey. M for monkey. What is the sound of M? M का sound क्या है? म. क्या है M के sound? म. Page number 6. Remove. Small n. What it is? Small n. N for nest. N for nest. N for nose. N for nose. What is the sound of N? N. What is the sound of N? N. And page number 7. What it is? O. What it is? Small O. Yeah. O for orange. O for orange. Then next one is O for octopus. O for octopus. What is the sound of O? O. Yes? So children, अभी हमने क्या किया? L to O read किया. Yes, with the sound. Yes or no? हमने sound भी read किया और picture भी read किया. अभी टीचर आपको पिक्चर ड्रॉ करके ब्लैक बोर्ड पे पढ़ाने वाले हैं. So see on the blackboard, I am going to make the pictures. L for log. L for log. Log means पता है आपको, वो एक झाड़, इस मतलब पेड़ रहता है, उसका जो टुकड़ा रहता है उसको लॉग बोला जाता है. ठीक है, बोलो L for log. You can see in your book, it is given. 5 नंबर की बुक में वो दिया हुआ है, आप पढ़ लीजिए. L for log, फिर समझ में आ जाएगा. बोलो टीचर के साथ, बोलो L for log. L for log. Now what is this? Small m, right? So teacher, M for moon. M for moon. आप सबने मून देखे हो? Have you seen moon? रात को तो देखी होंगे. Yes? M for moon. बोलो children, M for moon. Now N for nest. N for nest. Nest तो आपको पता है, right? Nest means चिड़िया का घोंसला, right? N for nest. N for nest. Now what is this? O. O for orange. O for orange. ये क्या है? Orange है. Yes. So टीचर के साथ read कीजिए children. L for log. L for log. L for log. Yes. M for moon. M for moon. बोलो M for moon. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. Okay? Again, L for log. बोलो L for log. M for moon. M for moon. N for nest. Say with me, N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. Okay? Children, tell me what is the sound of O. O का sound क्या है? Yes, O का sound क्या है? O. Okay? And what is the sound of M? M का sound क्या है? M. Yes? What is the sound of M? M. L का sound? L. L का sound क्या है? L. And what is the sound of N? N. N का sound क्या है? N. Very good. Again, repeat after me. L for log. L for log. M for moon. M for moon. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. Okay? So children, आपको ये अच्छे से टीचर ने आपको A to O आज सिखाया. Yes? A to O क्या सिखाया? टीचर ने आपको A to O सिखाया है. तो ये पूरा जो टीचर ने आपको पहले से पहले पेज आपने देखी, टीचर ने A to O पूरा ब्लैक बोर्ड पे लिख के बताया था. यस और नो? वो आपको नोटबुक में लिखना है. प्लस आपको बुक नंबर 5 जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं वो आपको रीड करना है और बुक नंबर 5 में भी ओ तक कंप्लीट करना है. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है? ओके. वापस से रिपीट करते हैं. चलो. L for log. L for log. M for moon. M for moon. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. ठीक है? सो चिल्ड्रन अभी हम क्या करते हैं, रीड करते हैं, ठीक है। A to O रीड करते हैं। आप पीछे के पीछे बोलो। A for apple. A for apple. What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of A? A. Good. B for ball. B for ball. What is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of B? B. C for cat. C for cat. What is the sound of C? K. What is the sound of C? K. D for dog. D for dog. What is the sound of D? D. What is the sound of D? D. E for egg. E for egg. What is the sound of E? E. What is the sound of E? E. F for fish. Bolo children. F for fish. What is the sound of F? F. What is the sound of F? F. G for grapes. G for grapes. What is the sound of G? G. G का साउंड क्या है? G. H for house. H for house. What is the sound of H? H. What is the sound of H? H. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. What is the sound of I? I. What is the sound of I? I. J for joker. J for joker. What is the sound of J? J. What is the sound of J? J. K for kite. K for kite. What is the sound of K? K. What is the sound of K? K. L for log. L for log. What is the sound of L? L. What is the sound of L? L. M for moon. M for moon. What is the sound of M? M. What is the sound of M? M. N for nest. N for nest. What is the sound of N? N. What is the sound of N? N. O for orange. O for orange. What is the sound of O? O. Okay? What is the sound of O? O. तो आज हमने L to O कंप्लीट कर लिया है। आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड। ठीक है, आज के लिए इतना काफी है। दिस ऑल फॉर टुडे। बाय बाय, टेक केयर, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ। थैंक